we have the whole skyline of the hotels over here with the mighty Burj Khalifa. So the lights this time at Burj Khalifa, they look really well, like really amazing. So I'm this place right now called Awani in Dubai Mall. Their Lebanese food is really great if you want to come and grab a bite. Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Hope you're all doing really well. You could see real cinemas in front of me. No, I'm not going to the cinema, though I had to go and watch The Accountant too, but I couldn't till now. But let's go inside, and it says push this, and this is the area for taxi pick and drop as well. Though that's the Zabil side, but even then. And I am here at Dubai Mall, you could see from here, and let's go see where you want to go. So I'll keep you guys posted. So we have this Arabic Music Institute poster over here as well if you want to come. It's open in downtown Dubai, and they have put up this huge poster. So this is a very big banner for Dubai Malls and Zabil. And yeah, let's go and see what's there for us today in Dubai Mall. Yeah, stay tuned, you guys. So from the side that I entered Dubai Mall, from here I have this thing on my side. It's the Chinatown, and it looks epic, as you can see. The signboards over here, they just remind you of some amazing movies or dramas or seasons that we watch. And then you have such pretty lanterns, and yes, we have sakura or cherry blossom as well over here. So I showed you before this part, but I just wanted to place it again here for you guys to see. And from here now we'll proceed to the place that we have to go. From here to you could see there is food court written. We'll see if we want to go over there or where, because we are here for food and then we have to go somewhere else. I'll keep you guys posted. And again, I like it that they have mentioned everywhere in the mall that the taxi pickup has been changed to Zabil, to give information to all the people who are here looking for a taxi to go back. And how could I forget this ice rink? Not the ice rink, it's this famous fountain. Forgive me, I have taken the wrong name. I try to avoid taking names when I don't know. And it's the famous fountain of Dubai Mall. We have this thing at the top, and then we have this fountain which has, I would just zoom in a bit for you guys. We have these men coming down like this, the portraits of them, and it gives very cool looking, a look to the mall itself. We have one over here, and then we have another one the other side as well, and then people are getting pictures with it from down and from here as well, if you might see. So this is also one of the things that are really famous for Dubai Mall. If you are here, make sure you just take your pictures with it so that you can show to the people that yes, you definitely came to Dubai. Not Dubai only, just Dubai Mall as well, because obviously it's the biggest mall. And my idea of making today's video is to show you how expensive is Dubai these days, or how affordable it is. So we'll start with some factors like food and stuff. So let's go hop on to getting some food, and I'll show you what it actually is. It's expensive or not. So guys, this is the fountain show, not the fountain show, this is, sorry for my language, this is the light show that's been done at Burj Khalifa every night, and it looks superb, it looks amazing still, because the fountain shows are being closed these days because some renovation is going on. So as I could show you, the fountains are all being renovated right now. You can see we have this pretty small bar in front of us, and then all the fountains are being dismantled as of now, and we the light show only on Burj Khalifa that we can come over and enjoy. So it's an information for you guys if you as well. If you guys are coming to Dubai, the fountain shows are not on these days. It's undergoing a renovation, and we have just the light shows at Burj Khalifa. So I would like you guys to enjoy it along with me, and I would also again share the rest of the glimpse, the beauty around this place. It's amazing. Dubai Mall is love. If you want to come to Dubai, make sure you visit Dubai Mall the first thing. So this is what I want to show you guys. This is the fountain. That part is the fountain, and it's all being closed right now because they are renovating it, and some upgrades are coming our way. Let's see, inshallah after 3-4 months or maybe 5 months it will open again, and we'll get to see what's happening. But these are all the things that are there which makes that water come upwards, and the lights, etc, etc. So I wanted to show you this is how it is today, or these days. The fountain is all dismantled, and but the Souk al Bahar remains the same. It looks so pretty from here, and you can see it has Dubai Mall Souk al Bahar written on it. So when I say it's Souk al Bahar, it actually really is. And we have the whole skyline of the hotels over here with the mighty Burj Khalifa. So the lights this time at Burj Khalifa, they look really well, like really amazing. So I'm in this place right now called Awani in Dubai Mall. Their Lebanese food is really great. If you want to come and grab a bite, it's a recommendation and a must try from my side. And yeah, this is how it is. I would share the review of the food with you guys as well, and this is all the related. I think these are apartments, or it's Palace Downtown, not sure about that, but this architecture is usually the whole resembling to Souk al Bahar. And yeah guys, you have this whole pretty Burj Khalifa in front of us, and Dubai Mall is here. Let's see what there is for us in food, and I'll show you. So this is the potatoes that we ordered. We have eaten few, but I wanted to show you. It's very good at Awani if you want to order it as a starter. And we give you this kind of a starter as well. It's cracker with some sauce, and yeah, we are waiting for the main. When it comes, I'll let you know how it tastes like, and I'll share all the prices, and then you'll get to know is eating out in Dubai is affordable, or how much does it cost. And with this view, it's totally worth it, trust me. Just sometimes it could be done, because this view just you know, makes you so much fresh, plus this amazing skyline behind Souk al Bahar is everything. So guys, there are two kinds of skewers here. It's a mixed grill platter. We have the lamb one at the other side. We have vegetables grilled in the middle, and then we have a chicken skewer. Apart from that, we have fries, and we have kebabs of two types, chicken and lamb. And they serve it with the bread. You have a dip at the side. It's enough for 2 people because you have the bread and you can eat it with it otherwise. And then we have a starter over here as well. And this mixed grill costs around 89 dirhams. And yeah, it's good for 2 people, and I will share the final with you guys, and the taste is really great. So if you're a fan of this kind of a food, it's a must visit place for you. And we'll check out again together once we have the bill over here. So let's enjoy our food, and I'll show you the remaining bits later. So guys, as I mentioned that I would show you the bill. So the bill happens to be for So the mixed grill was for 89, and then the spicy potato was for 30. Then there were 2 drinks, each for 34. So the actual bill was 153, and because there's a tip added, it happens to be 163. But then again, there's an application named Kitopi, because of which the bill has 20% cash back. So that's why I just wanted to show all these details to you. But anyhow, my purpose was to show you the bill. So it's actually 153. With tip, it has calculated it as 163. It's really reasonable if you want to come over here and enjoy this amazing view of Burj Khalifa in front of you. This is a place to come with extremely economical food if you are coming in groups, or if you are 2 people coming, or if you are coming by yourself. This place is quite pretty reasonable. Do not order the appetizers like we did if you want to, and then the bill would be much lesser. So yeah, it's quite affordable. So these are the details that I have shown with you in my today's video. Anyhow, that's it from today, and I will keep on showing you bits from now onwards about the different places that are quite affordable, where you can go out once a week and have good food. Like, it's not what you can do or go about every day, because obviously we are so much caught up in our work activities on daily basis. It's just the weekends we can come about outside and enjoy such meals. So once a week, this amount could be given for 2 people. It's perfectly fine. And with that, I will just show you some more bits if I go around in the mall. And make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries, you guys, and leave your comments about what kind of content do you want to see on my channel. And yeah, this amazing beauty, I'm just zooming in for you guys again and again. It's really good. And you guys, how is it possible that I come to Fashion Avenue and I do not capture these festive lights for you? I don't know for what event they have still put it on, but usually during Ramadan, for the other festivals, Eid and all, we have this festive setup over here in Fashion Avenue. We have few cafes down below as well. One day I'll come and make a very detailed thorough video for the whole Fashion Avenue part of Dubai Mall. This is the whole area. This whole area, all the floors etc. are all Fashion Avenue. So this is it. I wanted to show this to you, and I hope it's looking cool to you as well. Through naked eye, through the mobile phone screen, it's not looking that cool, but through the naked eye it looks really amazing, trust me. And it's even flickering in the mobile phone as well through the camera. Anyhow, I hope you have liked it. Make sure to subscribe to Dubai Diaries. So guys, if you have been a fan of what you call banoffee pie, it's kind of a similar thing like that. It's called banana foster, and it has banana and condensed milk and stuff like that, with the top, crispy top, and some almonds. So I just wanted to share this amazing video with you guys as well. And it looks really well, and you look at this dish in which they served. It's very pretty. It's a plate, but it's a bit heavy. It's made of stone, but it looks so lit and good. And yeah, we have a soda with us. We have these pretty views. Outside is again Dubai Mall.